What to do in Ardmore in October? How about a little scarecrow contest? Stay tuned as we do a little walking tour. Hey everybody, my name is Stacy Hesser and I'm a licensed realtor here in the state of Oklahoma, serving the southern portion of the state all along the I-35 corridor. That includes communities like Sulphur, Davis, Ardmore, hello, Marietta, and Thackerville. So my mom and I, we are down here today because there's a scarecrow contest going on. I mean, how fun is that? It's the month of October. It's warm weather. I'm wearing shorts. I mean, what more is there to love about this? So there's 3 different categories. It's being brought to you by Create Ardmore, which is an organization working to promote arts and creativity in our community. They do fun things like painting fire hydrants. There's some really cute ones around here. I'll probably be doing another video on that, but we are getting started here in Central Park. If you're curious about seeing more about the parks of Ardmore, check out my link right here. Selfless plug, I'm sorry, I know. But anyways, there's 3 different categories to the scarecrow contest. There's traditional, fantastical, and then also the 3rd one for businesses, which is where I should be at. I'm doing this next year, I'm telling you. It looks like it's a lot of fun, and guess what? There is $500 at stake here, man. $500 for a winner in each category, and even if you're the runner-up, it's still $100. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoy the slideshow. I hope you enjoyed this little sneak view of downtown Ardmore area. Like I said, there's some great shopping down here. There's my favorite coffee shop is here, Main Street Coffee. I just love them. They know how to make a snickerdoodle. Starbucks doesn't. They don't even have the stuff to make one. So, what more do you need? But there's some great shopping down here, antiquing, it's just some great stuff. So a lot of attorneys' offices, so I guess if you need an attorney, you can come down here for that too, because the courthouse is down here as well. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you later. That's icky. Oh, no, that's not right at all. It sounded retarded. So what to do in our... Bleh. Fantastical. From the I-35 corridor. Hey everybody, my name is Stacy Hesser and I'm a licensed realtor here serving the, oh my God, what in the world? Bye. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. I'll see you soon. Whatever.